I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video I'll try to review the gameplay of the Battleground Mobile India in the OnePlus 9R device. Yes friends, finally a lot of viewers are requesting me this kind of video uploading on the OnePlus 9R, whether the phone will be able to support 90 FPS or not. I'll try to use the default FPS meter and even I'll try to use a third-party FPS meter application as well. So make sure to watch till end of the video friends, and I'll try to check plenty of other aspects as well. For example, whether the haptics are supported or not in this kind of Battlegrounds mobile. So that is what I'm going to check in this OnePlus 9R device. So if you are having the OnePlus 9R device, if you want to install the game, so make sure to watch this video how to install the Battleground mobile in any Android device. I did follow exactly same procedure in the OnePlus 9R device and I was able to install perfectly alright without any problem. So if you want to watch, try to watch that video and try to follow exactly step-by-step process. So now first let me try to show you exactly what kind of refresh rate I'm trying to use. As you can see friends, 120 Hz refresh rate I'm trying to use during this time of testing, and I did enable the inbuilt FPS meter as well, as you can see, so which will actually show you whether the application is running 60 Hz or 120 FPS. That is what I'm purpose of this default FPS meter. That is what I'm trying to use. But later on in the gameplay, if the game supports the 90 FPS, then definitely I'll try to use the third-party FPS to test this kind of whether the phone will be able to support or not. So let's begin the game friend. So finally it is a game which is a Battleground. This is my first time opening this game as well, and I think second time opening this game after the login and everything. So you will definitely be surprised friends whether the phone, whether it supports the 90 FPS or not. So make sure to watch. So right now you're seeing this kind of real-time FPS meter. It's not increasing anything more than 60. If the application is supported more than 60, then definitely you'll see the 120 FPS option, 120 coming by the default. But let me try to show you the settings. What are the settings actually available? So let me go to the settings, and here are the settings, and let's see friends what the 90 FPS option is enabled or not. Let me go to graphics. As you can see friends, 90 FPS now you can get, but you need to give this game, you need to add in the game space as well. By default this Battlegrounds mobile will not get added into game center or game space. Let me try to go to that and let me try to add it. So that is maybe let me try to add first and then I'll try to show you. As you can see friends, right now I did add into the game space the Battlegrounds mobile in India. Let me try to show you in the settings, and I did enable the haptic feedback enhancement option as well. Even I want to see whether the haptic feedbacks does work in this phone or not. That is what I'm trying to say. As you can see, you do get this kind of option right now. As you can see friends, you can get these kind of details. So now I'm trying to enable the 90 FPS option completely, but still it's not increasing. But don't worry, I'll try to use the third-party FPS meter as promised. So now balance and extreme HD and extreme HDR and extreme. Let me try to download this ultra HD as well. So these are the few settings friends which you do get in this smartphone. You can actually get the 90 FPS with this kind of latest Battlegrounds mobile. But let's see how is the gameplay, whether you will be able to get the 90 FPS actually or not by using the third-party FPS meter. As you can see friends, right now I did enable the real-time FPS meter as well, which is the third-party FPS meter application I'm trying to use right now. So you should be able to see the real-time FPS meter. And you will get this kind of announcement as well before actually starting the game. I'm not getting any kind of haptics. So at this point there is no haptics at all. Haptics are not working. So right now I'm getting only 60 FPS option friends. It's not increasing to 90 FPS. So even though there is an option for the 90 FPS, but still the game is limited to only 60 FPS. I think that is the reason. That must be the reason. In case if you want me to include the gameplay, definitely I can include the gameplay of this phone as well while testing the frame drops in the boot camp. I'll definitely try to do that kind of video as well as soon as possible in case if you're interested. So I'm getting about 60 FPS consistently during this time of testing, not much problem. As you can see friends, let me try to disable the default FPS. As you can see friends, right now the real-time FPS how much you are getting. So it's about 60 consistently. I'm trying to play only the team death match at this point. So later I'll try to play the another match as well if possible. In case if you want me to do another screen recording test as well, I can do that for you all in case if you're interested. But right now you're not getting any kind of higher than the 60 FPS at this point. Let me just show you exactly. As you can see friends, I'm trying to use the 90 FPS only during this time of testing, but still I'm not getting higher than that. You can clearly see that. As you can see friends, overall I'm not getting anything more than that FPS, more than 60 FPS it's not possible I think at this point. So you can clearly see here. I'm getting only 59 and 60, not much, nothing more than that. And now let me try to open the another match. Let me try to do the normal match test. Let's see what will happen in the normal match. As you can see friends, even now I'm getting only 60 and 59 FPS, not nothing much more than that. As you can clearly see on the top, 60 FPS I'm trying to get. You can see this kind of different boarding over there. So I'm getting only 50 and 60. So I'm not sure there is no use I think of 90 FPS having the option. So maybe in the future we might be able to get benefit, but definitely I did another video friends regarding the IQ7 as well, regarding testing the same game file, but still I did not get 90 FPS in the IQ7 device. So at this point I think only OnePlus phones I can see this kind of 90 FPS option. I'll try to do even same thing testing with the Realme phones as well, maybe the Realme X2 Pro and Realme X1 Max, but I'll try to test those phones. So I'll try to keep you posted in case if I find anything different. And make sure to comment with your friends what are other videos you want me to make on this particular topic, and definitely I can do another video, maybe screen recording and playing the PUBG gameplay. So sorry, not PUBG, Battlegrounds mobile gameplay in this phone. I can definitely do that kind of video. So right now you can focus on the real-time FPS meter, which I'm trying to get close to I think 50, 60 FPS I'm trying to get on the top. As you can see friends, I'm trying to focus. I'm making you to see only the FPS meter right now, so whether it's increasing or decreasing. $60 FPS, 59 FPS. Let's see whether there will be any kind of frame drops now or not while I'm jumping. So there is no frame drops, so this is perfectly alright with the 60 FPS during this time of testing. 58, it did came a little bit kind of down, but not much. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video. This is a quick review, and overall you won't be able to play the 90 FPS even though you get the option in this phone. Unfortunately, that's another drawback in this phone, which I can definitely say. And thank you for watching, and see in the next video friends. I'll try to do similar kind of videos with other Mi11X and other smartphones if possible. Stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested to watch more videos. And thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, see you, bye.